Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ahmad Fadri. And this is Leo. And now we will give a motorbike cycle tutorial. The first, look at the gasoline indicator. Then make sure the tire is not flat.
Nice.
Make sure the brakes are functioning is not property.
Sure when riding a motorcycle, body in a relaxed state.
Okay, let's drive.
Then start the engine through the starter button.
Press the send button. Careful attention to hole in the road. And if you want to stop, press the brake pedal until the motorcycle is not running.
Don't try this on the road because it's not safe when driving on the road. Because
Safety can be fun.